So, hello guys, I saw there aren't quite a lot of information on how to provide continuous power supply to Canon M50 camera. This is especially useful if you're streaming on Twitch or YouTube or any other platform, since Canon M50 doesn't offer charging via USB charger, so you actually have to find another way, or with switching batteries or buying AC adapter. I just ordered my AC adapter from Germany for 20 euros and I must say it's doing great job. You get this blank battery with adapter which looks like the real battery. It has same dimensions, so it fits in the camera. You just put it in, and in the bottom it has one hole where you plug in the power adapter, as I will show in the same video, and it should be working very good, and you will never have to worry again about losing battery or running out of the battery life and switching between the streams. So I think this is great, viable and cheap option if you want to stream with Canon M50. Now I will show you how to use the AC adapter, so let's get to it. So as you can see, we are running our Canon M50 with Sigma 16mm lens on normal battery right now, and now we will switch to AC adapter. We will turn off the camera, take out the battery. Here is the normal battery, and we will insert our AC power adapter battery inside. You can see there is a hole for AC plug-in, there is hole for AC pin, and we just open this cover here to make space for cable, and we put this adapter in, and the camera should be working after we insert it into AC power supply. The AC power supply is on, and now we will be turning on the camera and M50, and let's see if it works. It works actually very great, so I hope you like the video. The AC adapter really does great job if you're YouTube or if you're streaming on YouTube or on Twitch, so I hope you like the video.